Hello everyone, I am Himani Vishwakarma and this is my ninth video series lecture of data science, and in this lecture we learn about clustering. What is clustering? In real world, not every data we work upon has a target variables. This kind of data cannot be analyzed using supervised learning algorithms. We need the help of supervised algorithm. One of the most popular type of analysis under supervised learning is clustering analysis. When the goal is to group similar data point in a data set, then we use clustering analysis. The practically situations we can use clustering analysis for customized segmentations for targets, advertisement, or in medical imaging to find unknown or new infected area, and many more use cases that we will discuss further in this lecture. What is clustering? The task of grouping data point based on their similarity with each other is called clustering or clustering analysis. This method is defined under the branches of unsupervised learning, which aim at gaining insight from unlabeled data point. That is, unlike supervised learning, we don't have a target variable. Clustering aim at forming group of homogeneous data point from a heterogeneous data set. It evaluates the similarity based on a matrix like Euclid's distance, cosine similarity, etc. Then group the points with highest similarity score together. For example, in this graph given below, we can clearly see that there are three circular clustering formally basis of distances. Now, it is not necessary that the clustering form must be in circular in shape. The shape of cluster can be arbitrary. There are many algorithms that work well for detecting arbitrary shapes clustering. For example, in the above given graph, we can see that the clustering form are not circular in shape. This is arbitrary shape. Type of clustering. There are two type of clustering. Broadly speaking, there are two type of clustering that can help to perform to group similarity data points. Hard clustering. In this type of clustering, the data point belongs to a cluster completely or not. For example, let's say there are 4 data points and we have to cluster them to cluster. So each data point while either belongs to cluster first or cluster second. Data points cluster A, B, C and D. This is C1, C2, C3 and C1. Soft clustering. In this type of clustering, instead of assigning each data point into a separated cluster, a probability or likelihood of that point being that cluster is evaluated. For example, let's say that there are 4 data points and we have to cluster them into 2 clusters. So we will evaluate the probability data point belongs to both clusters. This probability is calculated for a data point probability of C1, probability of C2. These are the examples like A, B, C and D. Uses of clustering. Now before we begin with type of clustering algorithm, we will go through the uses and cases of clustering algorithm. Clustering algorithms are majorly used for market segmentations. Businesses uses clustering to group their customer and use targeted advantages to attract more audience. Market basket analyze. Shop owner analyze their sales and figures out which items are majorly brought together by the customers. For example, in US, accordingly to the study, disappear and beers were usually brought together by fathers. Social network analyze. Social network analysis use data to understand your browser behavior and provide you with targeted friend recommendations or content recommendations. Medical imaging. Doctor use clustering to find out diseases area in diagnostic images like X-rays. Anomaly detections to find outlier in a stream of real-time data set or forecasting fraudulent transactions. We can use clustering to identify them. Simply work with large data set. Each cluster is given a cluster ID. After clustering is completed, now we may reduce a feature set whole feature set into its cluster ID. Clustering is effectively when it can represent a complicated cases with a straightforward cluster ID. Uses the same principle. Clustering data can be used com- complex data sets similars. There are some of the application of clustering is different field. Marketing. It can use to categorize and discover customer segments for marketing purpose. Biology. It can be used for classifying among different species of plant and animals. Library. It is used clustering different book on the basis of topic and information. Insurance. It is used to acknowledge the customer, their policies and identifying the frauds. City planning. It is used to make group of houses and study their value based and geographical locations and other factors play presents. Earthquake studies. By learning the earthquake affected area, we can determine the dangerous zone. Image processing. Clustering can be used to group similar image together, classifying image based on content and identifying patterns in image data. Genetic clustering, finance clustering, customer service clustering, manufacturing clustering. Fraud detection, social network analysis, cyber security, climate analysis. Thank you. These all are the application of clustering in different fields.